Are you looking to buy a portable air conditioner? Through our research and testing, we've put a list of the top 5 best portable air conditioners available on the market. We've included links to all of the products in the description box below. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. So, what makes portable ACs so useful? Let's check out. Coming at number 5. SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This air conditioner offers the best combination of high-quality construction and advanced technology to provide you with all the features you need for a comfortable indoor environment. With a capacity of 10,000 BTU, the unit can cover a room up to 300 square feet and can help you maintain a comfortable and clean indoor environment even in hot and humid weather. The unit uses an ultra-efficient inverter motor to provide reliable energy saving. In addition, it has a self-contained built-in dehumidifier, which can help you to avoid having to buy a separate dehumidifier. Moreover, it has a powerful blower for efficient air circulation and remote control for easy adjustments. Number 4 on our list is EvaPolar EvaChill Portable Air Conditioner. When it comes to staying cool, EvaChill is one of the most energy-efficient and cost-effective solutions available. With 3-in-1 cooling capabilities, the EvaChill EvaBreeze cools the air around the user, keeping them cool. Its natural filter, containing basalt, captures the large dust particles from the surrounding environment and allows the air to circulate freely. The EvaChill cartridge material will keep your room fresh and clean. Coming at number 3. Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Winter's Arc 14SH is the latest in portable air conditioners. It is perfect for those who need to cool a large space quickly. It features a powerful 3-stage thermostat for a comfortable cooling experience. Its advanced self-evaporation technology provides powerful cooling over large areas. This is the ideal solution for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone needing a convenient way to cool large areas. Number 2 on our list is SereneLife 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner System offers a compact and powerful solution for home cooling needs. You get a built-in dehumidifier and a powerful fan to help you cool your entire home quickly and efficiently. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. It also comes with an exclusive remote control for easy setup and controls. This is a high-performance, powerful and reliable solution to provide comfortable home conditions. Finally, the number 1. Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. The Black Plus Decker 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is designed to provide cool comfort for up to 6 people in a room up to 150 square feet. The large evaporator coil and variable speed fan ensure effective, constant cooling, even when the room is hot or humid. The filter dries the air and eliminates odors. The top-mounted control panel lets you easily set the room temperature to your desired level. The filter can be changed in a snap, with the simple top-mounted hinged door. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best portable air conditioners for your home. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.